Imagine waking up one day, opening YouTube Studio, and seeing one of your videos hit 1.7 million views. That feeling of excitement, joy, and finally thinking, I'm actually making it. That's exactly what happened to me. And now I'm here to share everything. The wins, the struggles, and the lessons I learned. So I'm 18 like anyone else, dreaming big and wanting to make money. I saw tons of people on YouTube making crazy money and I thought, why not me? I started small, creating a channel to post simple content, summarizing live streams from celebs like Kai Cenat and Speed. I figured it was easy content, no fancy gear needed. I uploaded those clips to YouTube Shorts and thought, maybe one of them will blow up and get me the views I need to monetize. I was so hyped up. I set up my channel, designed the profile pic, and watched streams every day trying to be one of the first to post the funniest or most interesting moments.
I said, no, I don't want it. I'm just waiting for the bus. I'm just waiting.
I didn't miss anything. What's funny? What's gonna grab people's attention? I kept going with full energy because the idea of making money on YouTube was so exciting to me. As time went on, I started watching bigger channels that were doing the same thing. I kept thinking, why do their videos get millions of views and mine don't? Then I realized that it wasn't just about the content, but the editing and quality. So I stepped up my game, tried to do it like them, but with my own touch. I posted 2 or 3 shorts every day, hoping one of them would take off. Then one day I woke up, opened YouTube Studio, and bam, one of my videos hit 1.7 million views. I was honestly so excited. But thinking back, I realized that success didn't just come out of nowhere. It came from hard work, learning, and improving every day. But then I had a new idea. I was watching YouTube and saw people doing the same stream summaries, but as long-form videos. And long-form content gets more ads, meaning more money. So I thought, why not do the same? I already have the clips for shorts. Why not post them as long videos too? So I started a second channel and began uploading longer videos, making sure to avoid any copyright issues. One of my long videos hit 200,000 views, and that got me 2,000 watch hours. Some other videos started gaining traction too, and I hit the watch time requirement. But there was still one thing missing: subscribers. I needed 1,000 subs. I was super excited that I got the hardest requirement out of the way, and I was so close to turning on monetization. But then, things took a turn. Everything was going well, but suddenly it started slowing down. I began thinking, what happened? Why is the success fading? It all started when I got caught up in this illusion that just because I hit 4,000 watch hours on a new channel, I could easily do it again on any channel I created. I thought I had it all figured out, so I went ahead and started multiple channels at the same time. Before I knew it, I was managing 4 different channels, all with completely different content. I was trying to post on all of them every single day. Imagine making 9 shorts daily. Yeah, 9 videos, and not just random clips slapped together. I was trying to make them look professional, but with all that pressure, the quality of my content started to drop, and honestly, I lost focus. I wasn't paying attention to the small details that really matter because I was so overwhelmed. Instead of putting all my energy into one channel and making it great, I was spreading myself too thin. I convinced myself that since I'd done it once, I could do it again, even with content I didn't enjoy or care about. But the truth hit me hard. Reality doesn't work like that. That one video that went viral and got millions of views, yeah, it was pure luck. But I didn't see it that way at the time. I kept chasing that same success, pouring all my time and energy into multiple directions, and it got me nowhere. I was splitting my effort, 30% here, 30% there, and 40% somewhere else. And honestly, that was the biggest mistake I made. I came across a video one day of someone talking about how spreading yourself too thin can ruin you.
If you can be focused on one thing and not look at everything else that everybody else is looking at, 50 different philosophies, 75 different ways to make money, 19 different streams of income. If you can figure out where to go here, all of that stuff's gonna come your way.
So here's the deal. I'm starting fresh, one channel, one goal, and I'm putting all my energy into it. I'm focusing on content I actually enjoy, and I'm going to give it my all. No more spreading myself thin. From this moment on, I'm taking the lessons I've learned and turning them into action. I've done my research, found the solutions, and I'm ready to share them with you. If you're feeling stuck or like you're all over the place, trust me, focus on one goal. Put all your energy into it, and the success will come. Stick around because I'm sharing my plan and how I'm making this change starting right now. And now here's the advice I learned after tons of research. If you're starting out as a content creator on YouTube, keep one thing in mind. Focus on a single goal. Don't let the results discourage you. And most importantly, don't make the same mistake I did by spreading yourself too thin and wasting your time and energy on nothing. Stick to one goal and one type of content. Never change the goal. Adjust the plan if you need to, but keep your target steady. Put all your energy into one thing so you can truly excel at it and make it something you're proud of. And trust me, with consistency and creativity, you'll get there eventually. Anyone who says otherwise is lying to you. Don't let illusions fool you into making my mistake, bro. Focus on what matters and make it count.